Hi everyone, I'm Sunaina Rekhi. नाम तो सुना ही होगा और अगर नाम नहीं सुना है तो अब तो सुन ही लिया होगा because it's all over the news. Yes, my ex-husband has gotten married to Dia and I've been getting a lot of DMs, I've been getting a lot of WhatsApps to ask if I'm okay, if everything is okay, if me and Samara are fine. And first I wanted to say thank you for feeling like I'm your own and for your concerns. And we are perfectly fine. Not just fine, I think my daughter is very excited. I saw some videos where she was throwing flowers. She's very excited. And it's a really nice extension for her. You know, we don't have any family in Bombay, so it's nice that she has more family. It's always nice to create more expansion, right, in your lives. And I think I want to take this opportunity to say that it is so important for a child to see love in their lives. And if Samira couldn't see that kind of love between her father and her mother when she was younger, at least she sees that love now and she carries that beauty and that energy into her future, which is so lovely to be able to see love in a marriage. And that's very, very, I think that's very special, and I'm very happy for Samira, and I'm very happy for her dad and for Dia. So, but thank you to everyone.